Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn some new fun facts about earthquakes. After watching this video, we will realize what the biggest earthquake in North America was. Please pay attention. What is the difference between an earthquake and a tsunami? And what was the magnitude of the biggest earthquake caused in Alaska?
Of accumulated compression were suddenly released. A magnitude 9.2 earthquake caused part of the Alaskan coast to lurch forward more than 20 meters. The resulting landslides and mudslides devastated towns and cities. In some areas, unstable land began to behave like water, causing buildings and roads and pipelines to sink into the ground. And dozens of tsunamis, the largest of which topped out at 67 meters high, caused catastrophic damage along the bays and inlets of the coast. More than 125 people died in the Good Friday earthquake, which was felt over an area of about 1.3 million square kilometers, and it released more energy than the combined power of every North American quake since. It's been 50 years since North America's largest recorded quake, and its legacy remains enormous because it was this natural disaster that ushered in the modern age of earthquake science. Much of what we know today about earthquakes can be traced to work conducted by a handful of geologists in the months and years that followed, and they all started with the same question: how did this happen?